Such a dolt.
Tiddly-dee-dee. Tiddly-dee-dee.
Hello.
Oh, he's got
Alright, we're turning around.
he's got an important phone call.
Nah, we were just going to do some pine coning this afternoon, but I understand. You're more important. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
That was baloney. Nobody called him. His phone didn't even ring. And you know what?
That was work.
You know what's even more important is that he never answers his phone. So you know that was a big batch of bull.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, she's full of shit.
that
hurt.
Aw. There's the violin.
Pile of crap.
I'm so sorry. There. It'll be okay.
How long?
Here,
How much
watch this.
traffic are they going to freaking let through here?
I know. What?
Just start going. Just go. Forge ahead.
Run into that semi.
I'm surprised they're not backed up all the way back to St. Ignace.
Oh my goodness. Goodness sake.
Stop it.
No.
Oh, stop it.
Well, what were you gonna do with that? What are you looking at? Ooh, look
Come on, turn the sign.
Look how engaged he is. He's getting really mad. Oh, so mad. So mad. Dee-dee. Hey,
What a
Gig.
freaking joke.
They're there. It's just road conduction. Oh, look, they went ahead. You got screwed.